Alright, you guys. So after the pre-release, I'm just gonna go over some things here. It's got like a little checklist from the building battle. Same thing in Dust 'n Rivals. I remember getting that checklist. I got the Lunatone Mega Evolution stamp deck. This theme just had like Garganackle, Powerful Assault, A-Salt. It was some funky spelling. Anyway, it was mainly fighting and discard of fighting energy, draw 3, and then attacks by fighting Pokemon in the active do 30 more damage. I think this is a pretty new good card, Lily's Determination. So you shuffle your hand into your deck, then you draw 6, and if you have 6 prizes, then you get to draw 8 instead. So I think it's just pretty good. You really get to draw 6 or 8. This was one of my polls, the full art of the air balloon. I thought this card was pretty interesting. Whenever any player puts a basic non-dark Pokemon onto the bench, place 2 damage counters on that Pokemon. Kind of reminded me of Gengar, but in a stadium. But also, like, I think that's gonna synergize with Marnie's Grimmsnarl. It's called Risky Ruins. And this was like my one illustration rare pull from my packs at the event. Anything else notable? I noticed we had a boss's order as well in the reprint. Risky Ruins. Some of my other pulls. There's another Godengo. All you can grab. Mystery Guardian with Psychic. Once during each player's turn, that player may discard an energy card from their hand or to draw cards until they have as many cards in there and they have the Psychic Pokemon in play. So I think that's interesting. Probably gonna be something for Gardevoir. And then oh yeah, and I did ask if I can have the Golden Battle box. So I thought that was pretty cool, the Lucario. So I just was able to grab a box for a display piece. Meganium seems to be good for grass deck, so Venusaur might have a shot at the meta. Each basic grass and Dashari Pokemon provides 2 grass. And then, yeah, that's the Bulbasaur common bulk, but at the same time, this does have a nice illustration rare in the set. Got a Riolu. There's Vulpix, Ninetales. Got a holo of a Pokemon Center lady. Lively Stadium was in the building battle. Code cards are not live yet. I'm also planning on using those when it goes live. Tinktuff. Interesting. Usually you can flip a coin and discard energy from your opponent's active. If you choose to build a Tinktuff kind of deck. Some of the bulk and playables. But this is probably why you guys are here. Want to see some more packs being opened. So we got these 3 packs for participating. in the pre-release, and we got 4 in the build and battle. So far, this is like gonna be 7 packs. Ooh, we get the Ivysaur, an Ultra Ball. Here's Jinx. Oh, I saw the Steelix illustration rare in person. Someone pulled it. It was pretty nice. And someone pulled a secret illustration rare of Venusaur. Someone at our local league. That's a regular. And we got a Mega Lucario EX. And there's Alakazam. I played against that build and battle, and it was you could say for at least interesting. So we got a Mega Lucario, nice. I think Alakazam is going to be a good addition to Gardevoir because of its ability. Let me go read it. Psychic Draw. Once during your turn, when you play this Pokemon from your hand to evolve one of your Pokemon, you may use this ability and draw 3 cards. And then Powerful Hand lets you place 2 damage counters on your opponent's active for each card in your hand. So if you have a lot of draw power, Alakazam can be hitting hard. Ice-Cube, Lopunny, now stack, Repel, pretty much almost like a, what do you call it? I guess you ruin it, or reveal it. Get a Houndstooth, IR, and a Kyogre. I like Kyogre. Riptide with water. Oh, this almost acts like a Ceruledge, but for water type. So maybe for the Chin-Pao deck. Yeah, but put Repel down there. And then we gotta get a Holo Chikorita, nice. Just gotta move that back a little. This is a very wide box. Yeah, but I had fun at this pre-release. A lot of people showed up. Gotta see what other people pulled. Seedot, got a Routes. Another Fighting Gong. There's an Inteleon. Makuhita and Cinderace. Again, this Cinderace, someone explained this one to me. So this Pokemon is in your hand when you are setting up to play. You may put it face down in the active spot. And then Turbo Flare is colorless. Search your deck up for up to 3 basic energy cards. And attach them to your bench Pokemon any way you like. So 50 damage, and then you get to attach 3 basic energies. So accelerating energies in the game early could be really good. So, oh, and it's a free retreater. So it's weak to water, has no resistance, but then it's free retreat. I mean, if you can play this early, this is not bad. Shedinja, if this Pokemon is knocked out by damage from an attack from your opponent's Pokemon EX, your opponent cannot take any prize cards for it. I mean, that's not bad either. Holo, Ice-Cube, and Makuhita. Ivysaur, Ultra Ball. Oh, there's Latios, I didn't even notice. And then Exeggutor, Guard Press. Anyways, I'm going to read more of these cards. This set's looking like it's going to be pretty good. And I got one more pack. These there for now. let's open the prize Series 7 pack for attending this pre-release. And what do we hope for here? Electric Energy, Tatsugiri, Buddy Buddy, and Badoo. Very nice playables. Yeah, I'm not too sure if I'm going to be playing with Tatsugiri. But I mean, I always play with the Buddy Buddy and Badoo.